if you want to create travel vlog intros like these, watch this 5th episode of series How to Make Travel Vlog Intro in Kinemaster. So, to create an intro like this, you need to download 2 apps from the Google Play Store, PixelLab and Kinemaster. In part 1 of this video, we will do text editing with PixelLab, and in part 2, we will do the video editing in Kinemaster. So let's start. How to make travel vlog intro in Kinemaster.
Wait!
So before you start part 1, you need to open Kinemaster to capture a frame of your video footage, and next import it in PixelLab to correctly align the text with the video. Part 1. So you have to switch over to PixelLab app and change the image size to YouTube thumbnail, as it has got a 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, you need to tap on the 3 dots top right, select Use Image from Gallery and import the image that you had just captured in Kinemaster. Now, you need to go to this A sign here and tap Edit to edit this text. So, this is an island in Florida. Let me write Florida at this part, some connector or bridge sort of thing. Tap Edit to edit this text. Adjust size and change font. Change color if required. You can add spacing in between the letters. Add stroke if required. Adjust its weight. In some cases, like in this example, I have added a shadow to the text. You may ask, but how will we place text like this, floating on the surface? Well, you can do this with the 3D rotate option. Increase this rotate X value to make text line flat on the ground or on water surface. You need to adjust perspective if necessary, like this. In this example, you need to set it to 3D text. Adjust depth and XYZ rotation and other properties if required. Disable this simulate lighting option. Make other text changes like 3D rotation, etc. if you want. Do not forget to add a 3D shadow for 3D text to give a realistic effect. Also, if there is water underneath text like this, do not forget to enable reflection. Adjust the vertical offset correctly. So, our work in PixelLab is complete. Go to this option and select Transparent to remove the background image. Finally, save image to gallery as PNG and dimensions ultra. Let's start part 2. Open Kinemaster and import your video footage. Next, you need to import your text image that you have exported in PixelLab in part 1. Go to the first frame and place the text at the correct position. Change blending and adjust opacity to merge it with the background. Adjust its length on timeline. You need to select one or preferably 2 reference points in the video where the text is placed, as I am doing here. With the text layer selected, you need to select Key Animation here and go to the last frame and create a keyframe. Resize the text based on the reference points, as I am doing here. Play the video. Probably your text animation does not exactly match with the camera movement at every point, and your text seems to have been displaced at some points. So pinch out on the timeline to zoom timeline view. Create keyframes at few points where the text seems displaced and adjust text size and position correctly. Play the video multiple times and check that the text animation is smooth and there are no jerks in between. Delete keyframes if not necessary, as this may tend to make your text look jerky. Finally, you can add some light leaks overlay to make your video look better. So our intro is almost ready. Add an amazing background music. Add cinematic frames. And add fade in and fade out effects like this. And you are done. So let's watch the final result. Now, if you like this travel vlog intro tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want more travel vlog intro ideas, check links in description or watch video on left. And if you want different YouTube intro ideas, watch playlist on right. So see you there in my next video. Thanks for watching.